Aurobindo Pharma has announced divesting some stake in its Chinese subsidiary Biopharmaceuticals. The company, with this divestment of 51% stake and an additional fund flow happening through the parent company, the stake of Aurobindo Pharma in the subsidiary will come down to around 19%. Now the company has decided to remain a strategic partner in the company, mainly because it's one of the key supplier of the raw material for the company, and it supplies around 250 odd crores worth of raw material to Aurobindo Pharma. So with the strategy stake intact, the supplies will continue unabated. On the positive side, we view the transaction as positive because the company was running into losses, and with the reduction in the stake in the company will benefit to the extent of around 40 odd crores to 50 odd crores on the bottom line. So we believe that it's positive on the cash flow front, as well as the debt on the books which the company has been recording because of the subsidiary being Biopharma being a subsidiary of the company, to the extent of 70 million goes off the books. And also the company had given loans to the extent of 23 million to the Biopharma subsidiary. So they have that amount of money has been paid back to the company. So the cash flows would improve, and this money can be utilized by the company to repay his FCCB debt that's likely due in FY12. So overall we view this as a win-win for Aurobindo Pharma, and at current valuations the stock is trading at somewhere around 12 times FY12 numbers and 10 times FY13 numbers. So we maintain a buy on the stock, and with a target of around 1565.